Snowdonia's been really quiet this spring. It's been absolutely lovely. And it's given the wildflowers a chance to spread and grow and reclaim some of the footpaths in places. We're also seeing birds nesting in places that haven't nested in for years and years.
Bod hwn yn ardal gwledig, mae 'di fod yn wag o ymwelwyr ers cyfnod erbyn hyn, a mae pobl bach yn nerfus o'r ffaith bod pobl yn dod yn ôl I fewn i'r ardal.
It's been really noticeable that car parks and roadside verges have been really litter-free.
Mae yna wedi bod lot o bryder yn ein cymunedau lleol ynglyn â bobl yn dod ar virus I mewn I cymunedau nhw, a mae'r pryder yna am godi eto fel mae mwy o bobl yn trafeilio a mae'r restrictions yn codi rhywbeth.
Be sa'n ni'n gofyn I bobl sydd yn dod I ymweld â'r parc cenedlaethol ydy just bod yn ofalus ac yn barchus.
So when we get an increase in visitors, it can lead to quite a lot of extra work when gates are left open. So a lot of times the animals can mix together or escape.
We really want people to minimise the impact they have, and that could be driving less, keeping to the quieter places away from the hot spots.
If you imagine everybody who hasn't been to Snowdon this year and is wanting to go to Snowdon this year, it might benefit you just to get yourself a new guidebook and some maps and think about some different places to go this year. Off the beaten track, just spread the load a bit, give the National Park a chance to recover fully.
A just cofio fod hi'n parc cenedlaethol, mae'n rwla arbennig, mae'n ardal sensitif, ddim yn unig am yr amgylchedd a am y bywyd gwyllt, ond hefyd pobl sydd yn byw ac yn gweithio yn yr ardal.
Da ni'n edrych ymlaen i'ch croesawu yn ôl i'r yrru.
A cofio, siopa yn lleol.
Mae'n hynod o defnyddiol os di pobl lleol ag ymwelwyr yn ceuagiatu ar iola nhw a cadw cŵn ar dynnu. Please peidiwch tanio barbecue. It can take one little moment for the whole mountain to spread with fire, and we lose a lot of wildlife and nesting birds, so please don't light your barbecues.
So people can help us by treading really carefully, keeping your dogs on a lead, just taking that little bit extra care, staying quiet just to give nature a chance and to respect other people as well. And together, hopefully, we can keep Snowdonia looking as good as it has been this spring.
Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch am helpu ni efo salwch ma. Diolch am barchu Eryri.
Thank you very much.
Diolch. Diolch. Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.